Health Minister Amprin Lingdo today expressed concern over the rising cases of cancer in Meghalaya. Speaking at a medical health camp and awareness talk organized by the AR High Hospital at St. Jerome Higher Secondary School in Nongminsong, Amprin said that the government has managed to reduce the maternal mortality rate in the state, which was very high. She also pointed out that the government would partner with these private institutions to provide quality treatment to people. A large number of people were also seen attending the camp, and they were given medicines for their illnesses.
Ya ibahek ba imped bangila ban empanel ya kani ke institute nang ba kinong song jong kani kathan ke jongni kinyo ya kun kini ki machine bat kun kini ki jaka ai sumar iba mangi baro nin ha let shajangai bha bat karem bha kata kabai dawai nagamta kabai sumar mujni.
Cabinet Minister and BJP